Hi everyone, today we are going to solve problems from exercise 13.1, sum number 1, 2 and 3. We'll see the first problem. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. So we are going to make a plastic box. So its length should be 1.5 meter, wide that is breadth should be 1.25 meter and deep should be, that is height should be 65 centimeter, that is to be made. So it is opened at the top, so the box top should be opened. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet required for making the box. So we need to find the area of the sheet to make the box, that is total area of the sheet for making the box. The cost of sheet for it, if a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20. So let us write the given information so that we can understand the question better. So given length, that is L, is 1.5 meter, breadth B is 1.25 meter. Here the deep, that is height, is given in centimeter, but here length and breadth is given in meter, and we have given the cost in meter square. So we are going to change the height 65 centimeter to meter. So for changing centimeter to meter, we are dividing 65 by 100, so that we will get 0.65 meter. So we have got the three measurements: length, breadth and height. So if length, breadth and height are in different measurements, so the shape formed here is cuboid. If the measurements of all the sides are same, then we can say it as a cube. This is a cuboid. Yesterday we have seen the video how to find the lateral surface area, total surface area and volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder. You can check the video. Now here it is given as we have to find the area of the sheet required for making the box. So here we are going to find the area of the box for the four sides. One side, that is top, is open, so four sides should be made and the bottom side. So four sides, the four walls, we can say that as lateral surface area of the cuboid, and the all the six faces are rectangle, right? So the bottom face is also a shape of a rectangle. So we can find the area of that. We use the area of the rectangle formula and we'll find the area of the bottom face. So lateral surface, the four sides, we'll use the lateral surface area formula, and the bottom face we will use the area of the rectangle formula. So we'll add both the areas so that we'll get the area of the sheet, and multiplying the area of the sheet with the cost given, you'll get the total cost. So we'll proceed with the problem. So given that it is open from the top, surface area equals to lateral surface area plus base area. So we know that lateral surface area formula of cuboid, that is 2 into LH plus BH plus LB, base area, that is area of a rectangle, base area. So we use length into breadth formula. Here H is common in both the terms. So we can write this as 2 into L plus B. I am taking H common outside, plus L into B. So in the question we have given L is equal to 1.5 meter, B is equals to 1.25 meter, H is equal to 0.5 meter. We are going to substitute the values. So equals to 2 into 1.50 plus 1.25 into 0.65 meter square plus 1.50 into 1.25. Simplification, we get 2 into 1.50 plus 1.25 is 2.75 into 0.65, we are writing it as it is, and 1.50 into 1.25 will give you the answer 1.875. 2 into 2.75 into 0.65 will give the answer as 3.575 meter square, and writing the 0.875 as it is. So adding, we'll get 5.45 meter square. So we have got the area of the sheet required for making the box. The second thing we have to find is cost. So the cost of 1 meter square sheet is rupees 20. So Area of the sheet required for making the box is 5.45 meter. So multiplying 5.45 into 20 will give you the answer 109. So the required cost for the sheet is rupees 109. We'll move on to the second problem. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter squared. So in the question, it is given as, we have been given length, breadth and height. So length of the room L is equal to 5 meter, breadth of the room B is equal to 4 meter, height of the room H is equal to 3 meter. So we have been given length, breadth and height. So the shape formed is a cuboid. So the room is in the shape of a cuboid with length, breadth and height. So we are going to whitewash the 4 walls of the room and the ceiling also should be whitewashed, because here it is given as cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling. So we have to find the area of the walls of the 4 room and the ceiling, so that we can find the cost of whitewashing it. So here area for whitewashing, we have to find the lateral surface area for the 4 walls, plus we have to add the ceiling area also. In the previous problem, the top was open and we found the base area. In this question, we are going to find the top area. So same formula, lateral surface area plus area of the ceiling. So length is equal to 5 meter, breadth is equal to 4 meter and height is equal to 3 meter. So area for whitewashing equals to lateral surface area plus area of the ceiling. So lateral surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 into L plus B into H plus L into B. Area of the ceiling is in the shape of the rectangle. So substituting the values, we get 2 into 5 plus 4. L plus B is 5 plus 4. So 5 plus 4 into 3. Height is 3 meter squared plus L into B, 5 into 4. So 2 into 5 plus 4. Here 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. 18 into 3 is 54. 5 into 4 is 20. So you get the answer as 74 meters squared. So now we have found the area for whitewashing. So cost of whitewashing for 1 meter square is rupees 7.50. So cost of whitewashing for 74 meter square is 74 into 7.50 rupees. So we'll get the answer as rupees 555. This is the required cost for whitewashing. Third problem is, the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. So we have given the perimeter of the rectangular hall. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter squared is 15,000 rupees, find the height of the hall. Here a hint is given, area of the 4 walls equals to lateral surface area. So first we'll write the given information. So we are going to take length, breadth and height as L, B, H, and here it is given that perimeter of the rectangular hall is 250 meter. Okay. So we all know the formula for the perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into L plus B. So writing perimeter of the rectangular hall, we can write this as 2 into L plus B. That is 2 into L plus B equals to 250 meter. So we have got 2 into L plus B is equal to 250 meter. So next what they are given here is the cost of painting the 4 walls is given here and the total cost. Then we are going to find the height of the wall. So area of the 4 walls equals to lateral surface area. That is the hint given there. So lateral surface area formula is 2 into L plus B into H. We know that 2 into L plus B is 250 meter. That is given in the question. So we are going to substitute it. So area of the four walls equals to 250 H meter square. That is, in the place of 2 into L plus B, they are substituting 250. And H is same as it is. We are writing as it is. So now we have found the area of the four walls. Now they have given that cost of painting the four walls equals to 10 into the four walls area is 250 H. We are going to multiply with it. So the answer we get is rupees 2500 H. Now we know the total cost, that is 15,000 rupees. Now we are going to equate this with the total cost. So 2500 H is equal to 15,000. So transposing 2500 to the right hand side, we have H is equals to 15,000 divided by 2500. Therefore H is equal to 6. Required height of the hall is 6 meter. We'll solve the next problems in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more video updates.